Hey guys, it's so hot out here. Let's do a quick walk. I'm just stepping on the road, so and I realize I'm main road. Whew. Oh, the beauty of the sunshine, the beauty of walking outside. Ready? Whew, whew. So pretty, so beautiful, so pretty. Hi. Ooh, under the bridge. So guys, we're going under the bridge. We're going under the bridge. It's under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge. Whew. Some oh look so pretty in the under the shade. And the sun had burned me out. See it? Me under the bridge and I look pretty, 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 pretty. Under the bridge. So I'm gonna go for that bridge there, our next bridge, and come back. It's a beautiful exercise today. So let's do this quickly. Guys, I wasn't motivated to come and walk, but my hubby asked me if I not go walk, so I just feel bad and I just come walk. I was relaxing. Like the live, guys, like, share, and subscribe. So I just go walk on the bridge and come back down. There's another way. The steps are right there. Ooh, they're having something outside. Oh wow. People might have something outside, guys. On the tent. Maybe it's class. Maybe it's summer something. A good thing when I not talk. I may wanna talk. They're having things on the outside. Oh, there's another parking lot there that I don't have to go on the steps. I can walk. And there's another parking lot. Oh, that's the main road over there. I'm showing you guys to the main road there. Yeah, and you have the stoplight over there. I didn't have to go on the steps, but they're having something. So let me show you the bridge. It's a walking bridge. It's a walking bridge. Hello. Hi, hello. Hello. Let me say, if we don't that talk, people then with that ear on them. A good thing I type on I type. So I'm on the bridge. I'm on the bridge walking. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on the. Ooh, what sound is that? But I'm afraid already. Ooh, it's a board, board bridge, guys. Ooh, ooh. Why is it making noise? Ooh. Yeah, guys, why is it making noise, the bridge? Yeah, Jesus. It's pedestrian bridge only, no vehicle access. So we just walk that bridge. Yeah. Yes, Lola, it's a nice walk. Oh, beautiful houses. Beautiful dorm houses. So I'm gonna walk to the parking lot and back. Beautiful campus. This is another side that I've walked. And it all belongs to us. And that's another parking lot down there. I'm just gonna walk in there. I'm not afraid, guys. I'm not afraid. Security tight. I'm not afraid. It's far, but I'm not afraid. These bushes, but I'm not afraid. No worries. Just came from an appointment and I'm pooped. Was just about to go to sleep. Oh, and I tagged you. Awesome. Tag the people there, man, and tell them to like up the live. The people they're not easy. So guys, up here, some white something a fly off of the tree. I don't know what. But they're not dropping on my ear. Some white something a fly. I don't know if you can see them, but they are flying. Flying. So call your classmates. It's a different set of walk this today. I'm being obedient. If I go through that driving lot, I'll be on the main road. If you see that car, it's another side of the campus, main road there. I could walk around there. Yeah. But I might last. I remember how I come out there. But yeah, see the something that I fly around? A pollen. Oh, no. Whew. It's a lot up here. Yeah. So I'm not going to go too far now. Whew. All in my face, they want to fly in my mouth. So I can't hardly talk the way they might fly up here. So, yes, see them there? A whole lot of them. Jeez. Whew. Yes, guys, allergy season. Yeah, I swear I never have the flu, but when I take two sinus symptoms, multi symptoms, in 2 days it gone. So I realized it wasn't the flu, it's my sinuses. So, guys, car drive on the road, I go turn back, so I see one bike man. See bike man there, I'm gone. I turn back. Call me one over here. I mean one on the outskirts. I don't have no company. But me know security I watch me. Security tight. Yeah, allergy season. Security is very tight. So me nah worry myself. I own there as my security. See it? Me turn on my live as the security. Anything me know, sir. When we call 911 and 119 and 911. Yeah. Right, Lola. I know Jackie's at work. Sharing maybe over Planka shop. It nice, true. It nice. Building, nice building. This is another side of the campus. See pollen still flying around. I know me I wanna walk. So my man over this I walk too. I know me wanna walk, guys. And over there's a residence lot. I'm tell you that people down there so have and attend to have meet and greet in the sun. We know a Jamaica run from sun. And people over here love to go in the sun and take the sun bath, get a tan. Yeah, I look nice and feel good. So I'm gonna take back the board bridge, guys. Like up the live, guys. Much I know the pioneer, I'm not seeing no live. Likes. So, board bridge time. Board bridge. Board bridge time. Oh, hold on there, guys. Hold on there. I want to do a video with this bridge. Hold on there. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I had to do a video on the bridge. I wanted to capture it. I did. Whew. So, just landed off the bridge. There are people everywhere down this side. How much minutes me have? I have 14 minutes. I can go to the road a little bit. The list just see I love the sun. They just see it. Yeah. Because then I get it often. The season is 3-4 months. After that, pure coldness and snow and them sitting there. So it's good. It's good to and they have the sun. Hear them? They're actually eating. It look like there's a canteen out here. So. Like a canteen. Is there a canteen or is a door? I don't know. But out here so nice. There's a car park there. Parking lot. And to vehicle out the road. Emergency stoplight there. Yeah. So I would come down off the step right there. Yeah, but this time I come on this shade side. Yeah. And the road is right there. Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing. I'm on the road. I'm not on the road. I'm on the road, but not on the road. There are several parking lots to this place. May I take a little sat rest under this light. Tree, so cool. Tree cool, man. I can see vehicle them. You can see the stoplights. I think them say Starbucks over there, so. Wait there. Should I have more time? Me that go in a Starbucks. Yeah, me not have enough time. Me not gonna take too long for walk going in the sun. Let me see if I Starbucks there. Starbucks over there. So it's a big complex over there, so you guys. Big complex. Ooh, the breeze is so cool. Look at me. Ooh, the breeze is so cool. Take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture, guy. Yeah, me take a pic. Oh, me take a pic without the wording. I know. But me take a piece. Yeah. So it's beautiful campus, beautiful place. You're looking at beautiful place. Yeah. So I'm just a cool out a little bit in the shade before I go back. I'm so tired. You tired already? Hush. 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 Hush, Lola, hush. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, Starbucks just down the road. Sorry, how far is Starbucks from here, right here?
Starbucks?
Yeah.
It's right down that road, maybe like 2 minutes.
Oh.
3 minutes.
On your left? On your left?
You have to go straight down and then you have to turn around into the other plaza.
Oh,
it's
okay.
like a do not enter.
Okay.
The do not enter, you take a left and then take a right and then it's right there.
Okay, thank you. Seat. Let me get info. How far Starbucks there? Yeah. Yep. Alright, you so me I go carry you back down now. Me I carry you back down now, Lola, cause you cry so you're tired. So let's go back down. Oh, we can use the steps. I'm gonna use the steps and go down instead. I'm gonna use the steps to go down because I realized this connect to over there and over there connect to this. So that must be the steps that I use at the side. So let's take the steps. It's what me last. Nice and clean, yeah. Nice and clean. Rotted. You not hear dog? You not hear dog bark? I run me ready for running. I ready. Ready for. Let me show you the two big dog. Guys, look on the two big dog we are back after. You see them? When you see them? I open to see them, you know. So I'm gone. Not another time. No more dog. Nothing. So down the steps I'm going. Before then dog I come. And I know how dog love me so. Everywhere I go mix it. Me have dog. Dog. Dogs are bark at me. You wanna tell me now? Why them two big dog there a bark? And them inside. Eh? So me I go down the so a car just come over this bridge that I'm going under. Yeah. So I'm under the bridge. Going back to my desk. Mr. Lola, me da go take foot, you know. I go take up my foot, you know. Cause one of them Lego and one of them, I think both of them not tied. So me I run left them out there. Look at the beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Mister, I go run a left hand dog there. Not even Usain Bolt no faster than me. When me start run. The time is now 12:54. Same time. Most time like everybody time. Unless it's Cali. Cali have different time. And some other weirdo places. Me say, Lola, not even Usain Bolt could have catch me back. If then dog they start run. I love dog, but I'm afraid of dog. See? Not even Usain. For you to go back to work. Oh, 1 o'clock. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we almost reach back. May I tell you, Sana, it's connected. From come under the bridge, overhead bridge, may reach on my side. So the bridge separate the campuses because the road in the middle. And normally, they say something about accident. So they put up the bridge. Yeah, but may I tell you, so them dog there. if them start, you say, oh, all right, this is where I go. Lunch bag there, so come on, capture that tree, yeah. I like that tree there. You say, the little tree here, so it look nice. This little tree, me just want to take a picture. Hold on, get a picture. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on a new, different journey in life. We gotta take risk, and that's what I took today. I take a risk by going to a different area where dog all are back after me. Yes, it's nice. I see pollen. I fly off a tree, nuff, 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 nuff. So, yes, you're late. We're wrapping up now. Lola and I have been here all over the place. You miss a lot. You have to go watch back live. All when dog want back after me again. You missed that part, Shireen. But yeah, I'm wrapping up. So I went to a different area today, and that was like it's a big difference because look, I never want to go, and then Obi say, you know, walk today. I say, okay, let me get up and go walk and see. I went and I enjoyed. Lola was just in time to experience the bridge, the pollen, the dog barking. I'm telling you, today was eventful. Uh, yeah, so many different scenery. Yeah, today. So thank you so much. Thank you, Shireen, for coming in. Thank you, Lola, for keeping my company on this journey. Cause I mean, wanted to go for the bush, me and Lola, and so I tell Lola, other people were there, enough people, but they not talk. Only Lola talk. I tell her, so if anything, call 911. Yeah. And we did it. 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 Yeah. New place, new environment. Motivational today is go out and challenge your inner being. Something new, you know. Sometimes we say we can't, but yes, we can. And just go ahead and do it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Guys, look at my ear. The breeze was so strong. So, see you on the other side. Take care. And bye. 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 See you guys. Bye. See you on another time. I heard it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'm not sure. But yeah. Bye. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. Any sadness, my condolences, my prayers are with you. Okay? Take care. Like up the live. Share. Bye.